always wanna flip a Chevrolet like the baller did when I was a kid, and I am now. And this shit slapping, goddamn now. Open doors, let it jam now. About to go and park this 96 Impala, flexing my bro ham now. No lambs now, cause I'm a Chevy nigga. Crank it up and I'm ready, nigga. Pat the gas and let the roof back. I got 2 jack and my rims bigger, and I'm still squatting on 6. Nigga better get they bitches. Adjust my bass and ride through your state. Ride big and my Chevy make the earthquake.
I pull up in my Chevy, I'm riding big. Pull up in my Chevy,
It's your boy, Mr. 96 Impala. Yeah, I got the Impala on cover. I'll do some work to it. It won't start. So I'll do a little work to it. But I ain't working on the 96 today. I'm working on my 2006 Honda Accord. I had this car about 7 months, and I ain't never had no radio, and the radio never did work. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna be installing the radio. I don't even know, I got the keys in my pocket. Hold on. My bad, guys. But yeah, the radio never did work, so we're gonna be installing a new one in the pockets. I got there and there too, so the pockets don't work. So, or just I'm on forward for y'all good. Give me 1 second. I don't want to break it in my place. So, I ordered this off eBay. I think it was like 140. Ain't got no instruction to it, but hey, it should be pretty easy to hook up. And let me show y'all what I got it for. Let's look side by side, they're more better. I'll do it like this. Now you can see what I got it for. So, we're gonna be upgrading it. And you clamp on the back of it. Another backup camera wire right there. GPS. We're gonna take all that out though. Connectors. A lot more connectors. Important reminder: before installing our unit, please unplug the battery. Disconnect the battery for the car, because the power may already run the original freeze. Original car freeze. All right, we're gonna do that. We're also gonna clean this joke out. I ain't cleaning it up. I'm gonna wash it off. Yeah, number 2006 Honda Accord. Nothing much. 176,000 miles on it. Add this on there. Yeah, like this. Hold on. Yeah, like that. You know, steering wheel. Probably can see it right here. The whole steering wheel look like that right there. So I put the cover. I'm gonna clean all this up. I take the barricade off, so that we ain't gotta worry about the hood and stuff going off. Also got these for it too. Putting LED lights all the way through here. You see it right there. No, we can't be doing it. Can't have no yellow lights. No sir. Need everything right, so I'm gonna do that. And next time we're gonna do the headline. We're gonna put a new carpet in here too. So let me see how I take this thing up. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make sure I got my keys. I gotta show y'all something. Y'all learned from somebody else about the Honda. Hold on. Mama told me, said, "Well, you know you put that key in there." Hold on. Put the key in there. Let's see how I do it. like, put the key in there. I bet probably can't do it with 2 hands. Put that key in there. Hold on, guys. See how to do it. Right back. All right, how to use 2 hands, but put that key in here. Stick your key in there, you can reverse that back. See, I ain't got no key, and then this. So yeah, that's a little trick. And I put on parking brakes so too, when the car to move. But yeah, we're gonna start taking this off. Hold on, I don't want to break nothing. So like that. Boom, I got one of these. And I'm gonna put a link in the description about the double DIN stereo too. But let me start, I'm flipping some of this and get right back with y'all guys. All right, I got that up. And I don't smoke. Guess I ain't cleaned the car since about 7 months. I ain't gonna lie to you, I ain't never cleaned it. I just go to work and, you know, it wasn't never my primary, that's my primary vehicle, but you know, my main vehicle, at least. I want to upgrade, but I started trying to upgrade. So, we're gonna clean all that up. And, here we got 2. Y'all can see it. Here we go, got 2 filler head screws now. We're gonna pop that out. Gonna clean all this stuff out real good. And so y'all. My bad, guys. My bad. Hard time getting this up. But I'm putting this right here in there. Since that one closed, it got a little better because it knew it also. So yeah, they're going in there. Let me put these filler screws up, and we're gonna steal behind it. And I'm gonna plug the barricade before I start messing in the wires and stuff. So, right with y'all guys. Yeah, we gotta clean all that. I don't know if I broke it or what, but I think I broke it though. I had planted it out. D popped out, but I couldn't see no other way to get them out. But I think I should have pulled it right here up. I wasn't thinking. Oh, my bad, y'all. Next time, y'all pull this ashtray cover up to get to the screws. That's why I messed up at. We're gonna do it the right way and then put it back and clean all this up. Yeah, so next time, pull the ashtray cover up. I get it with my finger, but pull the ashtray cover up and get these 2 bolts out. I'm just gonna plug mine back in here so I got it out. I still got 2 more screws. And now I'm gonna clean all this stuff out too. You take this. Oh, y'all can see me, guys. You take the flip out from the power outlet. Clean all that. We got to. Alright, basically what I'm saying is, got just 2 screws. I'll show y'all. Then flip that up, pull the cover off. I'm gonna take them 2 screws up. I end up snatching mine up. And we're gonna hit these 2 screws. I know they're kind of dirty, as y'all can see it. So we're gonna pull them screws out. And gonna take the cover out. Alright. I done got that out. All with the old and with the new. So I'm gonna pop this up. Then I'm gonna unplug the battery cable. And then we're gonna try to get that thing installed. Trying to see if there's some more bolts in here. Let's see. Yeah, you got some bolts on there. So, let's see what side these bolts is. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Clean all this up. Got that out. Stay tuned. Had a new radio installed for you know it. Alright, I got them 2 bolts out. So, bolts, my bad. So them bolts gonna be 8mm, but you also use a filler screwdriver too. Yeah, them 2 bolts, but I think the new unit I got, it don't have you ain't gonna have no bolts on the bottom. My bad, y'all. You ain't gonna have no bolts on the bottom, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, I got the 2 bolts out from the bottom I was talking about. Here you go. Gonna be an 8mm, or you can use a filler screwdriver. But I think the new unit I got over here ain't gonna have no bolts, just at the top. So I'm gonna see. I'm finna take the top panel off right here, the vent set. I'm gonna take that, pop that off. We're gonna unplug the barricade, and then we're gonna start snatching wires out of here. Stay tuned. All right, I done popped the vents out. I don't think I did. I just primed and then popped that out. Then came through the side. But it looked like that somebody already been in here before. So now I'm gonna pop these 3 filler head screwdrivers. Filler head screws out. Filler head screwdriver. Then unplug the barricade. Then start plugging stuff and clean up. We're gonna start the new stuff. Y'all stay tuned. But I got the old one up. That joint big and heavy. Alright, you guys, I finally got in. I had to go through a lot of trouble. The pin on back of the TV wasn't getting no, the unit wasn't getting no power. So I had to had to slice the wire, run the wire from the unit to a freezer box. So yeah, so now it's on. Nice still know how to work it, but nice little TV in case you want to, in case you want for your Honda. They might make them for more cars. I like this right here. I know what I like about it. Yeah, it was a nice TV you got. I just got it just for the upgrade. From the other one start working. Now leave, that's the reason it started working, because the wire was messed up. But we got something new and fresh, so you can see the pocket we got there also. But, you know, trying to do a little something. Well, thank y'all for watching the video. That was the 96 Impala working on the Honda, and I still got the 19. My bad. I still got the 2008 and 2009 SS Impala. Tell you what the issues wrong with them. The 2008 Impala, I'm having issues trying to get the title. So tell how it was a salvage title. Then he lost the title, so he can't get the title. So no, they won't have an issue with them. And my 2009 Impala SS, it didn't need some head gas. I ain't feel like messing with it, but we're gonna get everything worked all out. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the TV. Put a little radio for a
Shit bad bitch, but she know it just she told me she got this super sloppy. I called it yucky. Don't speak to me in public.
Yeah, this double din stereo TV media player, what you want to call it. Pretty cool about this. I just like this part right here. I thought they were just neat. So yeah, pretty. I'm still learning, so be patient with me. I'm still learning, so be patient with me.
Is made in China. So, how will this product take over and become the new force to explore the market in 2020? The answer of XY Auto is the ultimate pursuit of hi-fi sound quality. XY Auto chose the most difficult active frequency division as a core of technological breakthrough. After lots of years of technological research, XY Auto large-screen auto vehicle navigation system has a unique way of upgrading the extremely difficult active frequency division. It not only provides a professional tuning skill, but also integrates the vehicle terminal and 4G Internet of vehicles applications efficiently, which improves the experience of vehicle multimedia to an unprecedented peak. The system adopts 8-channel, 16-channel active frequency division audio system, plus 3D 360, plus 4G, plus 4-channel tachograph, plus HD reversing cam. 2.5 GHz main frequency 8 cores, Android 9.0, world's fastest, the most
Alright, so y'all see where I'm coming from. Yeah, tell me y'all think about the double din replacement from the old gun to the new one.